Okay, we laid down the foundations of what actually we're gonna learn and how we're gonna learn it, but here I'm going to give you the rules. Again, it's the things that I've actually talked about this, but still, it's not a strict rule, don't worry about this. We're gonna have 2 rules in this course, only 2 rules and nothing else. We're gonna have 1 rule that states that you should be creative. The things that I'm gonna create is the things that I came up on the spot and doing the things right then and there. And you should be creative. Whatever you want to create, think about the end results that you want to create and try to do this. If you don't have the tools, then create the tools that you have at the moment, because eventually you're going to get there and you're going to learn the tools that you need in order to create the results that you want. But be as creative as you can with the tools that you have at your disposal at the moment, at the level that you are in the course, because you'll be amazed how great things you can create with as little tools as possible. And that's the rule number 1, is to be creative. Be creative. Don't be afraid of experiment. Do the things, because this software is a creative software. No matter what anyone will say, it's a creative software. So be creative. The rule number 2 is, well, the thing that I say over and over again: ask questions. If you have questions, I'm here to answer. I'm not gonna bother you with saying the same things, because you're probably sick of it. And yeah, ask me questions. I will be always available to answer you. So let's quit with anything in introductions and let's go directly to the course.